Claritystamps were born in '93 when I had a moment of clarity. How time flies. Here are the children, Grace and Mark. I'll teach the kids to write and read, and clear stamps is what they'll need. I teamed up with my lovely brother to form a business like no other. Working together in our own unique way, we founded this business that still stands today. There he is. Look, he used to frighten the customers. Family. Oh, I wouldn't want Mark on my back now. He's 6'5". Oh, those beautiful stamps, and the years rolled on and on. And there's my favourite stamp. The company changed dramatically when I took Clarity on TV. Look, there's Leonie. Thousands of viewers liked what they saw, and thankfully you came back for more. Our little crafting business grew and grew, and my darling Dave soon joined in too. Mel's awesome art created change. We added stencils to the range. Oh, I like that one. But when we developed groovy art, a whole new parchment world did start. Fresh cut dyes are our next big thing, but who's to say what tomorrow will bring? This brilliant team with great ideas wins Product Craft Awards most years. 25 years of Clarity art. Wow, how far we've come. But let's remember who helped us here, not least our dad and mum. So it's a thank you to you and many others who helped us along the way. Teamwork makes the dream work, as I always say. And it's thank you to you for making us what we are today.